Hello, my name is Brian Wardle. I'm a course leader for physics here at QE, and I'd like to talk a little bit about the physics course here. We do the OCR Option A course, which in my mind, we picked this course a few years ago because it covered a lot of the topics which students tell me anyway that they're interested in. It covers a lot of cosmology, nuclear physics, medical physics, etc. And the reason why physics is an excellent option for students to take is because it allows us to answer the big questions. Mankind throughout the eons has asked, why are we here? Was the universe created? Was it always there? Does it have an end? And physics helps us to address these questions. But also in our day-to-day life, the big problems now are the energy resources. Are they going to run out? Are there alternative energy resources? And again, physics will play a crucial part in any aspects of answering these questions. Okay, so the course we follow, as I said, was OCR Option A. This is a textbook we use, big, thick and chunky. This is a 2-year textbook. All students get a copy of a textbook. This is a second year one, first and second year. In the first year you get a half-size book, just the first year content. It's nice and clearly, logically laid out. As you can see, if you can see it, first year of the course mainly continues on from GCSE ideas and develops those a bit further. It does get more interesting towards the end. We've got a topic on quantum physics towards the end of the first year course. But things get much more interesting in the second year. It's the second year of a course where you get to study your Big Bang theory, your cosmology, you get to look at your nuclear physics and your medical physics for more interesting aspects of the course. The textbook is useful. It's nicely laid out, double-page spreads, key features, and at the end of each little subsection, 2-3 pages long, you have key summary questions which test your and support your understanding as you go through the course. Those questions have answers in the back of the book so that you can follow, make sure you're on top of the course. After that, at the end of each topic, you have past paper questions. And those really do sort out your understanding. So the textbook's nice and logically laid out to help support your course. Now, just bend down. One big thing is that in your exams, you don't have to learn all the formulas, not like GCSE. You get this, your formula booklet. So it's covered with useful information, but also it gives you all the formulas you need. So you don't need to learn formulas as you did in GCSE. Okay, so course requirements to get onto the course, we're looking at if you're doing triple sciences, you're looking for a 6 in your physics. If you're doing double science, you're looking for a 6 and a 6. Maths, you need to get a 6 in your maths as well. But one thing I'd like to make clear is you don't actually need to do maths A-level to do physics A-level. Obviously, we'd recommend that you do. But, for instance, if you want to be a medic, it makes much more sense to me anyway to do your biology, chemistry and physics rather than doing biology, chemistry and say another subject. I won't name any subjects. But yeah, you don't need, it's useful, there's a lot of maths content, but you don't need to do maths A-level to study physics. We will support you with any extra maths you need. Advantages in physics, part of natural curiosity, as I mentioned earlier, it's the skills it develops. It's a respected course. You will develop what they call employability skills. They just naturally evolve as a consequence of the academic demands imposed by the course. It's naturally an academic course. You will develop teamworking skills, resilience, and all these buzzwords you get for employability skills. It naturally happens as a consequence of sticking in on a demanding course like physics. Okay, well, there'll be plenty more information on the college website, and you can always email myself at any stage if you have any questions, any further questions about the course. Thank you for listening.